So I'm in Liberia, and I'm just watching this guy wash clothes. In America, we know we usually put the clothes in the washer and the dryer, but this is how to do it here. Let me just show you how he's doing this. So I'm gonna let him do his thing, and I'll just stand here and watch. There's a girl carrying water on her head. Hi. So let me show you guys close up. Wow, that's amazing. So this guy, this is what you do for your living? Okay, so how many clothes do you wash a day? Like how many people clothes do you wash? Or just once a day? Okay, because it takes all day. Pretty much, okay. Well, thank you so much. I just wanted to kind of show you guys what this guy's doing. He's washing clothes, and those clothes are very clean too. They are very clean, but it looks like a lot of work. So, but thank you so much again. I'll see you, all right?